Alright, there we go. Alright. Camera off. Now you know what board is coming up next, right?
Yeah.
You ready for it? Because they've been cheating the whole... I don't see why it's going to get any easier right now.
It's not. It's not easy at all.
So you know what we're doing, right?
Yes, sir. Part of my favorite boards, actually, 3 of them. Acorn I love, but it's... Yeah, it takes me a bit for Acorn. That's my warm-up.
We about to die, man.
Yep.
We about to die.
I don't even want to know how bad they're going to be at Rainbow Road. I can already imagine. I'm scared of that one. Love Peach Stadium.
Should I try the new shortcut on that board?
I don't know because of the way the computer's been playing. That's the thing. I say go for it, but if you're just goofing off, yeah, but go for it.
It depends on how far we are and how good I am when we go in there.
Yeah. Oh, man. I pray on this one.
Ready?
I pray on this one. Yes, sir. Good start. Good start.
Alright, so I'm letting you run your shiz, alright?
Okay.
If you can take first place on the first board, take it.
Somebody just knocked the heck out of my shell. Oh, you're okay. That's you.
You got it?
I'm in first, yep.
Alright, cool.
Please give me a horn, please give me a horn. Okay, that doesn't work, but okay. I just messed myself up doing that. That's okay. I didn't screw myself out of the race yet. Blue shell. They got a blue shell coming up, I think. Blue shell coming up, Rain. Be careful. Oh no.
Good shit, bro.
That was a good recovery.
Good shit. I told you, if you take first, if you get in first, I'll do the best I can to block from behind you.
Thank you.
I took Bowser out at the last second.
Shoot. That's what he tried. Okay, so he tried to get me.
Dude, that was not easy. That was no cake.
No, I knew it wasn't going to be.
We was jockeying back and forth between first and second place and first and second place, first, second. I was like, is he going to do something? Make a move.
I tried. I had a feather and I hit it at the wrong spot because I was going to try and get up on a higher altitude to go ahead and see where it took me, basically. Yeah, I thought it might give me more of a rail advantage, basically, instead of like going past everything. I'm not going to be experimenting anymore. Forget that. I can't. Too much.
Shit, I ain't got no music on.
You want to go ahead and pause it?
Nah, I guess I'll just have to see what I got with no music this time. Was that you?
That was up in the air. That was me in the air, in the sky. Okay, you ain't going to get hit by that? Fine.
place are you in?
First, right now. I'm
Alright,
trying to
good.
hold on to it. Trying to get these coins so I can keep it. Oh no. That's bad.
Damn it. Nothing I can do about it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Remember I said, as long as you get first place. Remember, all you get first place. That's all I was worried about. But I don't like being tied with Bowser. I don't like that. I really don't like being tied with Bowser.
Once you get back there and like fourth and stuff, it's hard to catch up because they keep hitting you out of it basically and stuff. So Mario and Wiggler are tied for it. That's crazy. King Boo with the goggles on, with the goggies. We got Baby Peach.
Alright. You ready?
Yes, sir. 12.
Alright. Ready or not,
Woo!
here it comes.
Here we go. Alright, Stadium. I actually like this level. Except we don't have Peach over here again. I'm gonna try and catch up. I need coins badly. You got green shells coming after you, Ring. Be careful. First right now, Rain.
Who you think is right behind you?
Right, you. That'd be you. Oh shit, I almost got that green shell.
Is it me or did the ground shake?
The ground shook?
You didn't see it?
No, I didn't realize. I need these coins fast.
Oh shit, red shell.
That's okay. I'm right behind you still, don't worry.
Alright, well, you know I'm gonna take the short. I'm gonna try to take the shortcut.
Yeah, go for it. I mean, shoot, you ain't got nothing to lose this time.
Well, I got my life to lose, but...
Yeah, that would be a thing.
But no guts, no glory, right?
Heck yeah.
I missed the drop, but I did do it.
Nice.
So yeah, I missed the drop, but I did do it.
Nicely done, though, still.
I didn't land on the railing, though.
So, if you would have landed on that, would that have put you in front?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
But as I said, I wasn't trying to win this board, but I'm so glad I didn't land on you. But it works.
Yeah.
It works now. I'm more confident in doing it.
That's good, though. I mean, that's really good.
You should try it one time.
I'm going
It's
to.
refreshing.
It's scary, but...
You ain't got to go right and try to land on the railing. You can go left and just land on the boost pad.
Okay.
Which is what I should have done, but...
I gotta look at it, because I see you do it a couple times, but I gotta look at your video to actually see how you did it. So... But it looks very, very tempting. That's why I was like, I just didn't want to lose my place at the time.
Alright, so you're going to see it. All you got to do is just aim for the corner of the ramp and trick twice in the air. Aim for the corner and trick twice in the air. That's all you got to do. Although, like I said, I didn't land on the railing. I was going to trick over to the railing, but I didn't.
I like how we split up at this point.
Alright, so watch. See? Hit the corner of the ramp. Trick off the ramp once, and then trick again in the air. 2 tricks. And there's a grind rail right there.
Do you have to trick forward twice?
Now, I went to the right. You could have went left, but I went to the right this time.
Mm-hmm.
I tried to do the one where I land on the railing, and there's another joint right here. You just literally land right on it. I was first place, but you needed to be first. So when I went over here, I was like, okay, I'm just going to land on top of the railing. Now, last time I tricked over twice.
Mm-hmm. This
time I thought I would just land on it. But if I would have tricked, I would have landed on it. I didn't trick. I tricked at the end.
What was that? Oh, I was there. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you would have...
If I would have tricked on it, I would have...
You would have been in first.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. Nice one, though.
Huh?
Nice one.
I'm trying new things.
Rainbow. Okay, this one gave me the most smoke. Nope. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to boost. Ah, these computers.
Totally do.
This is the only rough part. I can never get in first place on this one.
Totally do.
Oh, they knocked me off the board. Wow, you dirty. Okay.
Well, you know it ain't gonna be no cakewalk, right?
Nah, that's okay. I live for this. No coins and everything. They just wanted to knock my coins down so bad.
think I've ever seen a Kamek
They
item
knocked
on
me off
this board.
again! Wow, you ho. We are playing like that, guys. I'm telling you, I'm trying so hard right now. Trying so hard with patience I got. You're in first. I'm not doing this. Rain, forgive me.
Do what?
Blue shell.
Oh, by the way, I had a horn.
I know. I didn't mean to do it, though. I didn't have any other items.
It's okay, they're gonna pit us against each other.
Yeah, right now they are. They keep going for my coins. Like, there's nothing I can do to recover right now. Sad this is live right now, too. Not even my best play. But they up the computers badly. This is not a kid's game, guys. I don't even care what anybody says. If you're a kid, good luck on you. You continuing to knock me off the map. Jeez, y'all just slimy.
Totally do.
I like how you stopped automatically. Get out of here with that.
If you want, you can put mine up there. Thank you.
I can't really take it. I'm sorry.
You want me to hit pause?
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you, Lauren.
Thank you. Really? Oh, y'all dirty as heck. Wow. Cheating up the ante. That's crazy. A bunch of rockets out of nowhere. This is not rocket power. Should have knocked your behind off the map. Gave y'all 5 rockets. That's crazy. That is crazy. I'm happy I came back from that. It was rough.
I'm happy you did too. Did you see what they threw at us?
Yes, everything. I was back there trying to catch up.
It still ended up the way we wanted it though.
Yeah.
You first, I'm second.
Man. I tried though with that one. They knocked me out. They hated me. Oh, they hated me. They did not want me to see first. I'm telling you, this is not a kid's game, kids.
It's not. It's not. This is no joke. No freaking cakewalk.
And I'm busting my behind too right now. Was trying to be nice, but nah. You can't be nice to these guys. They'll take every advantage of you. I don't like how they keep giving them the items and they don't give me nothing. You done live streaming?
No, we still on.
Okay.
Why, you done?
No, because I was talking about the food, Rain.
Oh, I know.
I didn't care. I was good, though. I was just saying.
You want to eat?
Oh, wait.
Nah, we good. I don't want it to be cold for you or nothing like that.
I don't want it to blow from cold, because we're going to have to put the AC back on. That's why I was saying that. I already know how that's going to